Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon's weather update. So, a storm system is bringing heavy snow to portions of Colorado and New Mexico this evening and will continue to do so over the next 24 hours. So, looking at the 18Z run of the H2R model, heavy snow is currently ongoing across southern Colorado, northern New Mexico, with some freezing rain to Kansas. And then as we go through the next several hours through the evening, snow will gradually move to the north across Colorado, spread into northwest Oklahoma, continue across northern New Mexico. And then this is getting into about 10 p.m. Central Time tonight, 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Snow is going to overspread much of Colorado, especially the eastern part, northeast New Mexico, the western Oklahoma Panhandle. This will continue all night, seeing rounds of heavy snow, especially particularly heavy across northern and central New Mexico as we go into about 4 to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And the snow line is going to push into Kansas into tomorrow morning as well. Heavy snow all morning across northern New Mexico, southeastern Colorado, and this will even last into tomorrow afternoon before the snow finally starts to push to the east of Colorado and New Mexico into the western Oklahoma Panhandle, into western Kansas. And then we could be seeing snow through the afternoon and evening tomorrow across western Kansas, transitioning over to rain in central Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma. So this is going to lead to some very heavy snowfall accumulations for this area over the next 36 hours. So looking at our snowfall accumulation map, we can expect a dusting to 2 inches of snowfall accumulation across portions of northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, the northwestern areas of the Texas Panhandle around Amarillo, northwestern New Mexico, but especially when we go into central eastern Colorado, going to be expecting a widespread 5 to 10 inches of snow from this event, extending into western Kansas and the northern Texas Panhandle and the Oklahoma Panhandle, and then especially as we start going into north central, northeastern New Mexico, southwestern Colorado, we're going to be seeing widespread snowfall accumulations of 1 to 2 feet, especially in the mountainous areas. And we could be seeing pockets in the Rockies of New Mexico and southwestern Colorado, seeing as much as 2 to even 4 feet of snow from this event. So make sure you're preparing for a heavy snow over the next 36 hours if you live across any of these areas, especially in the dark blues, purples, pinks, and oranges. So looking at our current radar, we currently have snow ongoing across much of northern New Mexico into southeastern, south central Colorado. We have snow ongoing near Santa Fe, New Mexico, across the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, and then especially going into southeastern Colorado, we have snow around Pueblo and many areas of south central Colorado, northern New Mexico, some snow just to the north of Taos, and you can see that the snow has been moving in waves over the last 6 hours, even though the radar is having a little bit of trouble loading right now. And finally, looking at the National Weather Service's watches, warnings, and advisories map, we have winter storm warnings across north central New Mexico, northeastern New Mexico, southeastern Colorado, far western Oklahoma Panhandle, and the extreme northwestern Texas Panhandle in the pink, with winter weather advisories across western Kansas, eastern, southeastern Colorado, back towards southwestern Colorado, and then in the valleys of northern and central New Mexico, and portions of western Oklahoma, and extreme northwestern Texas in the purples as well. So make sure you're preparing for this ongoing snowstorm if you live across these areas. Thanks for watching this evening's winter weather update. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.